In this project, we're going to make our own version of the Flappy Bird game using Scratch Jr. You'll make an animal that flaps its wings and flies through obstacles without bumping into them. Remember to save your project as Flappy Bat by your name before we start. Let's take a look at the finished game first. You'll see the bat flapping and moving forward. You can tap the arrows to help it fly up or down. Try to keep it from touching the pipes. If it hits one, the game ends. But if you make it through safely, you win. Now let's make the game. This project will have 2 pages, so tap the plus button on the right side once. You should have 2 pages now. Let's remove the default characters. Press and hold them, then tap the red X when it shows up. Let's also add backgrounds. Tap the background button, pick a background, and press the checkmark button. Now go to the second page. This will be our play again screen. This is what shows up when you hit an obstacle and lose, and where you can press the button to try again. Tap the ABC button at the top and type play again. Now let's make it a real button. Tap the plus button on the left side. Choose any character and press the check mark. Now let's code the play again button. Tap the yellow button and drag start on tap. Tap the red button and drag go to page 1. Now go back to page 1. This is our main game. Let's start with the controls. We'll make up and down buttons to move our bats. Tap the plus button on the left side. Tap the paintbrush to draw your own up arrow. You can use the line or shape tools and fill it in with the paint bucket. When you're happy, tap the check mark. Now let's also make a down arrow the same way. When both arrows are ready, drag them to the bottom right corner. If they're too big or too small, tap the purple button and use the grow or shrink blocks. Now we'll code our controls. When we tap an arrow, it will send a message to tell the bat to move. For the up arrow, tap the yellow button and drag start on tap. Drag the closed envelope block and keep it orange. For the down arrow, tap the yellow button and drag start on tap. Now drag the closed envelope block and change it to blue. Now let's add our player. I'll choose the bat, but you can pick any character you like. Maybe a butterfly, bird, or insect. Tap the plus button on the left side, pick your character, and tap the check mark. We want the bat to move when we press the arrows and keep flying forward. To code a bat, let's tap the yellow button and drag open envelope. Tap the blue arrow button and drag move up. Tap the yellow button and drag another open envelope. But this time it's blue. Tap the blue arrow button and drag move down. Now we'll make the bat fly forward by itself. Tap the green flag block. Tap the blue arrow and drag move right. Tap the red button and drag repeat forever. Finally, let's make it so that when the bat hits an obstacle, it goes to the play again page. Tap the yellow button and drag start on bump. Tap the red button and drag go to page 2. Now try tapping the arrows. Your bat should move up and down while flying forward. Now let's make the obstacles. We'll use pipes like in Flappy Bird. Tap the plus button on the left side and tap the paintbrush button. We'll draw them using the square tool and paint bucket tool. Make one that comes from the top and one that comes from the bottom. You can copy them later, so you only need to draw each once. Once you're done, tap the check mark. You can add more by pressing the plus button, selecting the pipe you made, and tapping the check mark again. Add a few pipes at the top and bottom. I'll make 8 in total. You can make them different heights or sizes to make the game more fun and tricky. Just make sure there's space at the end so your bat can finish the game. Now we're done coding. Press the full screen button and try it out. Nice work! You just made your very own floppy bat game using block coding. Now see if you can make it even better. Try adding a U-want screen, more obstacles like flying things directly at you, and more.